Okay, how about Twinkle Twinkle Little Star? You wanna help sing, Jen?
I can sing. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I
Woo! There you go.
Clifton Market today in Cincinnati, and we're demoing some new products from the Cream and Nut Company that is in Columbus, Ohio. These are local made products in Ohio. We have 3 different products. We're featuring a Buckeye Crunch, which is a caramel corn that also has peanut butter and chocolate based in it. We also have Cashew Crunch, which tastes almost sort of like a Heath bar. And we have a chocolate covered cashew, which is this product, the crunchy cashew, and it's got dark chocolate on top of it. So they're all very good, locally made, and we'd like you to have a taste if you would.
What's going on? My name's Amari Abdul Alim. I'm a student at UC, study music at CCM, play violin, and from the West Coast, and happy to be here at Clifton Market.
Hi, I'm Cade. I'm a new employee here, and I really like the market. I like how close-knit the community is around here. I go to college up in Columbus, but I'm here for the summer, so thought I might as well dive in.
Thank you.
Alright, hi, I'm Ben. I'm a UC student, and I've been working at Clifton Market for a few weeks, and I really love it here, so it's good meeting you.
When is the parade?
This Saturday?
Oh, thank you, Alice. All right, well, great. Well, introduce yourself. Say who you are. Uh-huh. All right, Joe. Good, and I see you're cleaning the tables here. Very good.
What joy you brought me, what pain you taught me, so short a stay. Oh, sweet, sweet bitter love, why have you awakened and then forsaken a trusting heart like mine? My magic dream. See if I can get my hand. Looking at it, I just washed it and can't do a thing with it. Just washed my hair. Can't do a thing with it right now, but I got to go. When I won your love, I was so very glad. every happiness in the world belonged to me. Then our love was lost and you went away. Now I shed my tears in lonely misery. I know now that you never really loved me. It hurts me now to think you never really cared. I sit and ask myself 1,000 times to try and find whatever happened to the love that we shared. Oh, how could I be such a fool? How could I believe all the lies you told? How could I be taken in by your sweet face? Just brought our love, you ruined my life. I'm so far down in this terrible disgrace. Oh, but there will come a time you regret the way you treated me as if I was a fool and didn't know the many ways you lied about your love for me. And no one is gonna know that your love was just a show. How could I be such a fool? How could I believe all the lies you told me? How could I be taken in by your sweet face? You ruined my life. You spoiled our love. I'm so far down in this terrible disgrace. But there will come a time you regret the ways you treated me as if I was a fool and didn't know the many ways you lied about your love for me. But no one is gonna know that your love was just a show. How could I be such a fool?
No, but
see him in-
you know, Bob Siegfried redid the works here in this piano,
Okay,
and he lives down on Evanswood, and it's a work in progress. So,
that's Bob.
yeah, Bob Siegfried.
Siegfried, I'm sorry. I'm Gary Siegfried, oh my God.
Yeah. So anyway,
Siegfried line.
we're working on it.
Yes.
And he's taken it to another level.
I've worked with him since the Children's Museum.
Right.
We put the
right,
pianos together.
right. So the piano's coming along.
Well, I see him in here. It's got to be good. He's the best.
He's the best. Okay, thank you.
Okay, sorry.
There's the boys.
Yeah. Sorry.
Our restaurant has returned back the old ownership from 2008, from 2013. We are here to serve delicious food and give a great service.